Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I went to Walmart and I bought the nail kit and a nail polish from there. And so I'm gonna do my left hand with the kit from Walmart. This is the Kiss one. You could also get this at Walgreens, but I did get this one at Walmart for $8. Sorry about the birds again, but there's nothing I can do about them. So this is the French kit. They did have a different kit, but that one was like I think about $17. But I picked up this one because I figured $8. I wanted to see how good it was. I've never tried any kit from Walmart. I could already tell this brush is gonna be crap. So I do have my own brush and I am gonna use that, but maybe I'll just do one now with this brush. So this does say it's the French one, and then the French acrylic kit, sculptor's kit, but it does have French tips and natural tips. And then it says create longer nails, extended tips, new bubble-free acrylic formula, specially enhanced powder won't trap air, creating a flawless finish. You get 40 tips. The only thing missing from this is a primer, and this isn't gonna last long on your nails. I don't know how long it says it'll last. It doesn't say. But without a primer, your nails aren't gonna last. They will pop off. It'll be like just a matter of days before they pop off. So I'm not gonna use anything that's not in this kit except for a brush and a file, because you can get a file at Sally's for like, I don't know, cents. I don't know, like maybe 50 cents, $1 around there. And the brush, you can also get one at Sally's. They're not as good as what you would find on Amazon. I do use the Panda brush or Mia Secret. This is a Mia Secret one. The letters rubbed off. But this is a Mia Secret brush and I do use that. And I will use my Mia Secret brush. And I'm going to do one with this. So let's open this and see what's in here. So like I said, you do get a little Kiss brush. What the hell? This is like super hard to take off. Okay. So look, the bristles are already falling off, the little hairs. This, if you're gonna do a long nail, this is gonna take forever with this little brush. Look at the size comparison. Oh my god, look at it. So I would recommend just going to Sally's and buying another brush, because this is gonna take forever. If you do long nails on yourself, like I have long nails, this is gonna take forever to do. You also get glue, maximum speed nail glue. You also get a powder. This is only clear. And this is 7.5 grams. You get your monomer. This is 14 milliliters. You get a cuticle pusher. It's a small one. Everything's tiny in this kit. And that's it. That's everything. You get your instructions. So if you don't know how to do nails, you might want to read this. And it tells you step by step what to do. It has it in French, Dutch, German, Spanish, and English. Russian. It has all these different languages. But if you don't know how to do nails, you might want to read this first. I wonder if it says to do I wonder if it says you need like a bonder, a primer or anything. Nope, it doesn't. Okay. And then you also get this file, and then it has a buffer on one side. Like I said, I'm not going to use that either. I'm going to use one of mine. Like I said, you can go to Sally's and purchase some. But I'm going to use a new one, of course. Okay. And like I said, you get tips. You get full weld and the regular French. So I think I'm going to do the natural tips since I'm going to paint it with this color. And this is just a regular nail polish I got from Walmart. This is the Color Club and this is the watercolor. This is called Rain Rain Go Away. You're also going to need a dapping dish. That didn't come in this kit. You're also going to need something to pour your liquid in. Okay, so I'm just going to do a few of the nails. I'm going to glue this nail on. I glued the other 4 fingers, but I apparently didn't hit record. So I'm going to glue the thumbnail on, and then I'm going to start the application. I'm just going to leave y'all with this video because it's self-explanatory. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell so you can get notified of my next video. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye! So after I buff, I cleanse with alcohol, and I did go in with a gel polish. I forgot how much I hate using nail polish and it wasn't working, so I just wanted to use the gel polish. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and Y'all could also get the LED UV lights from Walmart, the Sensation nails, and they're really affordable, like 25 bucks.